everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. My hair is practically blonde. It's got a tint of blue, green, but oh my god, guys, I have to tell you about this new product that I got told about. It is called Colour Before. It is a colour remover. This is it right here. It is the extra strength one and it is safe and easy, ammonia and bleach free, which is amazing. Like, my hair doesn't feel horrible or dry. It feels super soft and it is back to normal. Like, it doesn't feel like this has affected it at all. But my god, if you saw my hair before, it was pink into blue and lime green at the front, and I've done 2 of these treatments and this is the result. I'm so happy. I can't be bothered to do another one because it's, well, you have to wait like an hour and I don't have much time and I want my hair orange and I'm super impatient. So yeah, I've just told you what colour I'm dyeing it and you can see from the thumbnail anyway. But I'm going to be dyeing my hair with 2 streaks of lime at the front. I feel like this is going to be my new signature thing, and the back orange. I hope to god it works because obviously there is still a tint of like minty greeny blue, but I feel like the Manic Panic hair dyes which I'm going to use are super pigmented, so hopefully it will just cover it up. But yeah, highly recommend this if your hair is stained blue like mine was. Honestly, it was stained blue for like 4 months. Thank you so much to my follower that told me about this, because honestly this has changed my life. I've bought a few boxes now and it just means I can change my hair up more often, which is so exciting. Anyway, pop a link below if you're interested in that. But if you want to see the process of what my hair colour was before going to this, it will be featured in my weekly vlog on Tuesday, so just do tune into that. Hair dye, I'm going to be using the Manic Panic Electric Tiger Lily, which is this amazing orange shade, and then I'm also going to be using the Manic Panic Electric Lizard, which is what I used last time on the front here. I did mix this with the Crazy Colour Toxic UV shade in one of my recent videos, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and just use this on its own. So yeah, I'm using these 2 together. Cannot wait. I know Manic Panic does stain and it's quite long lasting, but I'm going away in the sunshine, so I kind of want it to be long lasting. But yeah, we'll see how it goes over the top of this. I honestly cannot believe that that blue has come out like this. Amazing. But yeah, let's get dyeing my hair. Guys, I feel like I failed. So I really thought the orange was going to be super pigmented and take to the ends, but as you can see, like, my roots are going like a nice orange, but when it gets to the end it's going like a, I don't know, like a yellowy green. I mean, it might look okay when I wash it out, but obviously what I wanted it to be like was like all over toned orange. But hey ho, we might just have to leave that, and yeah, it might just turn out like it did last time when I had a blue on the ends and then I put the pink over and it went pink and purple. So it's obviously going to be like orange and then some sort of colour at the bottom, but I really don't know what this colour's going to look like when I wash it out. It might be like a bit of a manky green. I don't really know. It looks a bit funny. But it might look okay. It might look okay. I'm going to leave it on for about an hour, wash it out, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, it looks alright. Guys, I'm back. I'm not happy with my hair. Oh dear. I like the green, like I love this line at the front, but it just didn't really take very well, this electric tiger lily colour. Also, it's not very electric. Like, this is the electric lizard, which is super electric and neon, but this orangey colour, like, I'm not actually impressed by the colour. Like, I didn't expect it to come out. It's quite pastel-y. Like, I thought it was going to be quite neon, and like when I look on Google at everyone else that's used this shade, it's been way more orange than this. So I don't know whether the packet was funny, or because up here it was blonde, so you'd expect it to come out the actual colour it should. But yeah, I'm not liking this at all, and it's still quite, and it's actually made my hair quite green around the back. Not sure how I'm going to save this, but I have a tube of Colorista orange hair, and I've used this before, and I think it's quite pigmented. So I've got a bit of time. I might actually redo this orange and put this over the top and just see what happens, if it makes it a bit more orangey, and then if not, I guess I just will have to leave it and have rubbish hair. Oops. Probably should have just left it, shouldn't I? I reckon I should have done another one of those colour removers. Oh no! I've never not been happy with my hair. This is sad. Okay, I'm gonna give this a go. So guys, the dye is on. The orange hair from Colorista, it's looking way better already, a lot more vibrant and pigmented. This is the sort of colour that I wanted to achieve with the Manic Panic, but obviously it didn't do it. But the only thing is, I feel like it's not going to be even all over. It's still going to be a bit patchy on the ends, but I'm just hoping that it is going to be more of an orange on the ends, because this here looks orange, but then these front bits here look a bit dark. I don't know, so we'll see, but it is looking way better already, as you can probably tell. So I'm glad I found that orange hair dye in my bathroom upstairs, because yeah, I was not happy with that colour before. I'm going to keep massaging it into the ends, and I'll leave it on probably for about half an hour. Yeah, and then I'll wash it off and show you guys a finished look, and fingers crossed this is going to be the one. Hello. Hell yeah. Oh my god. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is what I wanted to achieve. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I've been wanting to do this for so long, but because the blue would not come out, it was just not achievable at all until I discovered that colour remover. I mean, it's a little bit funny on the ends. I don't know whether you can tell. It's kind of like a bit, it's a little bit darker and a bit greeny, like a greeny orange on the end. But I have to say, you can't really see where the blonde roots are. Like, it worked really, really well. I don't know what the back looks like. I haven't checked yet, so I hope it looks okay. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. I think it looks amazing. I love it. This is going to be my hair for Coachella and Vegas. Ooh, ooh. Well, it's probably going to fade a little bit by then, but hopefully when it fades, it will go back to like a peachy blonde. But yeah, now I've got that colour remover, I can experiment a little bit more often with my hair because, yeah, oh my god, I honestly, this is so nice. Really nice. I'm really pleased with it. I really thought that was going to be a fail, but thank you, Colorista, for having an orange hair dye, and also thank you, me, for having one in my bathroom, because that saved this look. I think it just needed to be a super pigmented dye. That Manic Panic one, I honestly don't know what went wrong, but yeah, I'm so happy with this. What do you guys think? Do we love my green and orange hair? What are your thoughts? It's so on trend with the whole neon thing. Yeah. Cool, well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.